Troubleshooting. This section is intended to provide quick-fix troubleshooting steps for the most common problems. Batteries. Although this may sound obvious, the most common problems we see when trying to use the Weemote are the result of weak batteries. Always make sure that you use fresh batteries, and please only use alkaline or better quality batteries. Your Weemote works harder than other standard remotes, as it is sending many signals each time a button is pressed. Channel changing. So your Weemote will not change channels. Here are some quick tips to make sure everything in your Weemote is set up properly. Press any of the favorite keys and watch the LED light. If that light goes on brightly, then channel information is stored on those keys. If the light is dim, then that indicates that channel information is not stored in the unit. If this is your case, then you should go back to the Quick Start manual and review the section on programming in your favorite channels. Please note that for the children's Weemote, the channel up-down button will not operate until you have programmed in at least one favorite channel. For the Weemote Senior, the channel up-down button is programmed to go to all channels, just like a standard remote control. Channel numbers display but don't change. This problem usually happens because your TV or set-top device is waiting for an enter, select, or OK signal before it will change channels. Make sure you check the existing remote you use for changing channels to see if you need to use an additional button to confirm the command. Then go ahead and set the correct option as described in the Weemote reference guide in the section Channel Changing Options. In some cases, your device may need leading zeros sent before a channel will change. For example, let's take Channel 7. When you program Channel 7 in the Weemote, it will send Channel 07 to your TV or set-top device. Many of the new set-top devices require 3 or 4 digits be sent before the channel will change. In these cases, the Weemote needs to send either Channel 007 or 0007. Determine which format your set-top box needs, and then set the correct option as described in the Weemote reference guide in the section Channel Changing Options. Learning. Alignment between the remotes is very important. Make sure the remotes are spaced about 2 inches apart and that they're level to each other. Make sure you're not in an environment with a lot of fluorescent lighting. This type of lighting can affect signals being sent from remote controls. For the Weemote to learn a button, it requires a number of steps. For example, you need to press the button you want to learn 3 times before it's learned on the selected Weemote button. During that process, instead of getting a normal blinking green light, you may get a flashing red light. This indicates that the Weemote was not able to recognize the signal being sent from your existing remote. In this case, simply repeat pressing that button until you get the correct number of green blinks. You may also need to slightly move around your existing remote to make sure you have the best alignment to stop this error from occurring. Your product code. If none of these steps apply to your problem, then please go to our website and check the latest technical bulletins. When checking on your problem, it is very important that you know the product code version for your Weemote. This consists of a number in the format of RX, where X can be a number such as 7 or 8. For example, R7 or R8. You can find this information by looking at the product code sticker behind the battery door. Remember, when in doubt, check your manual or our website.